Alright, let's go with our cooking show to show you how to take a really simple dish, edit it together, and make it look really slick. Head to Schoology. You ready, spaghetti? This is the post you need. Please click. What I've got so far is the original video where we got our inspiration from. If you go below it, there are two links. It says download the rough footage from Google Drive here and download the transition effects. So if I click on download the rough footage, it takes me to Google Drive. Sketty Rough is what you need. How do you download that? This is your download button right here. I'm going to click it. It can't scan it for viruses. It's too large to scan. Would you like to download this file? Yes, please download anyway. So where do you go? Where do you find this stuff? If you're on a PC, look for your downloads folder up in the top right. Click Sketty Rough is what you need. Let's look inside the folder. Where is it in my computer? It's in my downloads. And I want to drag it where? To my desktop. So Sketty Rough right here, drag and drop. And remember, if you're on a Chromebook, go to your Google Drive. Drag and drop that on your desktop so we always know where our stuff is. Cool? Cool. We'll finish off our lesson today with just how to upload the files to which program we're using. And this is going to be fun because we're going to learn how to edit this video in two programs at once. Those of us on Chromebooks, I want us to try editing in Canva because we've already tried Adobe Express. I want to see if Canva is quicker or does better on the internet with not as much lag time. So go to canva.com. Once you're there, what do we want to make? We want to make a video, right? Click on video and you'll get choices. Let's just go 1080p. We're looking for a blank one. This is perfect. 5 seconds? I think not. It's going to be a little bit longer. But let's upload that footage. So click on Uploads. You will go to your Google Drive because you're on a Chromebook. I don't have a Chromebook, so it's going to take me to my desktop, but I'm looking for Sketty Rough, right? There it is. Click and then open. You see you have the little flowing water thing going on as your progress bar goes on. That's fine. Just wait until you're done. And when it is finished, when it's all the way uploaded, we are just going to drag it and drop it and put it in the timeline. That's all I want to do for today for those of us on the Chromebooks. Take the footage, drag it. I'm going to drop it on the plus sign. Does that work? Yeah. Now, can I get rid of this blank thing? What if I just hit the delete key? Boom. Here is all of our footage. Tomorrow, we'll talk about how to cut it into pieces and how to put it in order. Now, let's switch to Adobe Premiere Rush for those of us on the PCs. Head to the search bar in the bottom, click on it. Let's just type in Rush and see what happens. Let me know if you don't have this installed. I'll show you how to do it. Adobe Premiere Rush, then click on Open. You get this lady every time. That's cool. And yes, it does take a while for the program to open. So we want to do what? We want to create a new project. It's going to go to my desktop. What do I want to call it, first of all? Let's call it Sketty. Sure, why not? Sketty Rough, here it is. I'm going to click it. How many files does it want to upload? 1. This rough footage is short. It's only 1 minute 39 seconds. So once we click it and it turns blue, guess what? Click on Create. It'll take a second and then your footage is here. And tomorrow we will cut it into pieces and edit. So we'll edit the same video in 2 different programs and see which one we like better. I'm really interested in seeing what we can do with Canva. I know what we can do with Premiere Rush, but Canva's new. So I'm looking forward to pushing that and seeing what our laptops can do on the internet. So be ready to mix things up. 2 for 1. Here we go. That's all I got. Thanks. Bye-bye.